Yes, it rained and the street flooded. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the street to flood.
Wait, my fish is coming.
Fishes. Yeah, we're gonna start fishing in a minute here.
Fish is coming. Hindi pa ng tubig, oh.
Yeah, the motorbikes seem to be getting through okay, but foot traffic has died down. Does it always flood like this?
Fish, oh, fish.
Yeah, yes, there's fish over there. We'll be fishing. We're gonna catch dinner. It did rain pretty hard. It's clearing up. I thought I'd be able to go out, but then I ran into this. So hopefully this drains out so I can enjoy the evening. If you do like today's video, please like and subscribe. There's some product descriptions down in the description area, but I just wanted to give you an idea. You know, this is what can happen when it rains in the Philippines or any area that is prone to flooding or holding standing water. So, have a good day.